Good afternoon, everybody. Friday afternoon, the market is still looking great. Very nice. Let's see who we got first in the chat this time. We've got Paul Wright first in the chat this afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. What's going on, Paul? Frank Paul. June Cat, right? What's going on? June, Paul, J5, Cassie Kalani, Justin, Cassie Kalani, Crypto Rocketeer, Frank Keith, Paul, Frank, Justin, Crypto Rocketeer, Kalani, Pika Power, Crypto Rocketeer, Shredda, Justin, Frank, Kalani, Justin, Kalani, grabbing that green name once more. I love it, Kalani. Welcome to the little bro, my friend. We're back. Welcome to the little bro, my friend. Boom, Kalani. I love it, man. 13 of you guys. Welcome, Kalani, back to that green name right there. Let's do it. Kalani, thank you, Frank. Thank you. I'm here, okay? Gizla, how you doing, man? I'm back. Yes, everybody, welcome, Kalani, back to grabbing that green name. And, there's 13 of you, and I only saw Frank say welcome. Pika Power saying Kalani. Guys, you know what to do. Tell him, for real, like, this is not a drill. Kalani got that green name. This is not a drill. Welcome, Kalani. Let's see what we got going on in the market right now, because it is looking good. AMC sitting at $15.79 right now. Shiba Inu coin, $22.45. GameStop up 4% at $91.85. We've got Mullen Auto pulling back a little bit from the earlier highs. We hit 320, right? Is that what we hit? 320, we hit 320, and we bounced back a little bit, sitting at 289 right now. Not a bad gain there. The Nasdaq doing very well today. Nasdaq hit 13,898, sitting at 13,868 right now, up nearly 2% on the day. We've got Prague sitting at $1.45 right now, pulling back a little bit at 12% gain on the day. Nothing to complain about there. Farmy up 7.5% on the day, $16.96. All we need is above a 17-cent finish there. We've got Sundial sitting at $51.96, pulling back a little bit on the day. Mullen Auto, we just saw that. CEI down 4%, SPY up 1% today, and BBIG up nearly 5%. Looking amazing today, guys. Looking amazing today. We love that green action, don't we? Would have been 2 months straight, but Kalani, all good, man, all good. Welcome back, Kalani. It's been a while. Welcome, Kalani, bro. There you guys go. Hello, Clay, bro. What's up, my friend? What's going on, Spaniard? How you doing, man? I know, Spaniard, if you're still in JagX, you're doing pretty good over there today, aren't you? Go and read my message, my first message complaining, please. Crypto Rocketeer, I would love nothing more than to hear you complain. Crypto Rocketeer says, I'm going to be honest, Clay. I know AMC is doing okay, but come on. Compared to the market in general, it's not doing great. Even GME with a trash report is outperforming us. That is true, man. That is true. 3.5%. The market's up 2%. You know, we see things like Mullen up 20%. You've got BBIG up 5%. Farmy's up 7%. Prog's up 12%. Even GameStop's up 5%. Yeah, AMC at a 3.5% gain. It's doing okay, though. It's doing okay. I know everybody out there would be good with a 3.5% daily gain on AMC for the next 6 months. We would be very, very happy with that. I would be ecstatic about that. Crypto Rocketeer, hope my wife did not match the morning stream. You'll make me look bad, and she'll expect me to do all the chores you were doing. Yes, dude. Hopefully, if she did watch that, Paul, you better be getting on it, man. I'll take that crown now, my queen. Pika Power. Kalani, I think you got to get in line, man. Frodo won the crown earlier. Well, maybe we'll see how I'm feeling. Let's do it. Nano Dimension Moon mission about to start again. Nano Dimension Moon mission about to start. We were looking at that, man. That's the hostile takeover situation. Gold mining company sitting at $1.35 right now is the break-even point, $1.19.3. Oh, Nano Dimension. Oh yeah, here's the Nano Dimension. Hey man, look, if they come back down, we're gonna be doing a hostile takeover of Nano Dimensions here. $914 million market cap, and they're sitting on $1.3 billion in cash. So think about that, guys. Think about that. Nano Dimension should go up in price. It makes 0 sense that they're not up there right now. Not where I wanted to click. I wanted to click right here. So we're good to go there. What do we have? Quick! It's your pre-live warm-up. Kalani, very good question. I have 0 warm-up whatsoever, man. 9 times, maybe not 9 times. I'd say 8 times out of 10, dude, talking to somebody on the phone like 3 minutes prior to going live. So there's that. Other than that, warm up. I turn the camera on. That's about it, man. That's about it. No real warm up. Good question though. Good question, because you guys can't see when the camera's off. It's gone up 1% since I wrote that. Crypto Rocketeer, it heard you complaining, man. All the dips I bought. Feel like I'm mad. I feel like I made a good choice. Chevy Silver Raider. Yes, you absolutely could have. Basically buying, and here's the thing. We don't know if all of the dips are over with, right? We could see some continuation of this Russia-Ukraine deal. We could see people continue to be nervous about inflation. We could see people continue to be nervous about that C word that we can't say in here. The dips may not be over. But if they were, dude, if we were able to add on those dips, if you were able to continue adding to your position, averaging down, it's going to turn out very well. It's going to turn out awesome, man. Off work early. Very nice, Chris. Thank God peeing on... What? Thank God peeing on... Oh, he's talking about raining. There's those lovely rain. Yes. Glad to be here. Wishing the squeeze was early also. Welcome. Dude, I also wish the squeeze... I would be happy in 3 minutes. I would be happy if AMC squeezed in the next 3 minutes. I would. I would be here. I would be ready to go, man. I'd be ready to go. I'd probably turn the camera off, but I'd be ready to go if it happened in the next 3 minutes. Just boom, in and out, Chris. Yes. Banana Dimension strategy is to steal money from people based on an idea that we don't know if it works. Well, regardless, Spaniard, they have 1.2 or 1.3 billion dollars in cash, and the company's only worth $900 million right now. That one dude, good afternoon to you as well. Clay, you mean you don't practice the meows before stream? Meow. I do not. Those are just, oh God. Nope. I don't know if I've ever meowed off stream, unless I was trying to talk to a cat. I don't know if I've ever done it. Tip of the tongue, tea in the tips. What is that from? Who said it? Anyone? Tip of the tongue, what? Tip of the tongue, teeth in the lips. It's not my warm-up, man. Not my warm-up. I don't know what movie that's from. Good afternoon, bros and broettes. That one dude, good afternoon to you. HYMC has a flat tire. Shredda, HYMC does have a flat tire. HYMC sitting at, where's that? HYMC sitting at $1.35 right now. Dude, it's sitting at some pretty risky support, man. I don't know if some of those people on Twitter that were loading up on HYMC, if they're still holding or not. But dang, if they are, if it falls through here, I mean, it's either going to hit $1.12 or come all the way back down to 65 cents. It's a very, very risky level to try to hold through. If it falls through this, man, I don't know about that. AMC with 1 minute left on the day, sitting at $15.80 right now, trying to hit an intraday high. Let's go, $16 on AMC. 20-cent run at the end of the day. We've got AMC sitting at $15.79, $79, $79, $79, $15.80, $15.80, $15.80. Hit an all-time high. Hit an intraday high on the day right now. Let's get a nice little run going into the close here. $15.80 on AMC. AMC sitting at $15.80, $79, $79, $79, $79. AMC 78, 78, 78, 78, 78, 79, 79, 79, 78, 78, 79. AMC sitting at $15.79 right now. Anybody got $15.80 per share for the close? $15.80 per share for the close. $15.79, 79, 79, 79, 80, 80, 80. Anybody giving 80? Anyone giving 80? 79, 79. Anyone giving 80 for AMC? No. $15.80, yes. AMC sitting at $15.80 right now. We've got a couple seconds left in the day. $15.80, 78, 78, 80, 80, 80. And we are not going to close above $16 per share today. Sitting at $15.80 right now. Looking very good. Closed at $15.79. It seems like we are closing at $15.79 today. We are going to have to see what the official close is, but it looks like the official close was $15.79 on AMC, and $15.79, yes, we'll see the settle close here in a second, but $15.79, not bad at all, guys. Closed 4.02% higher. GameStop closed at $90.78, up 3.08. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $22.58 right now. Mullen Auto closed at $2.90. We got the Nasdaq closing above 2% on the day, 2.05% higher. Farming closed at $17.25. Very nice bounce at the end of the day there. Sitting at $17.09 right now. Let's get a little after hours run. Prague closed at $1.45, sitting flat after hours. Sundial $52.20. Very nice little run there towards the after hours. Some green action. SPY closed up What did it close? 1.05% higher, and BBIG hit 5.08% on the day. Very nice run today, guys. Very nice run indeed. Green day, man. Green day. I like it. Sold! 15.79. Sold! Yes, Paul's got it for 15.79. Kalani, I've never seen it. It's a 90s classic. I don't know what Kalani. Jack Black School of Rock. Oh, dude, Jack Black School of Rock. Yeah, I really do like Jack Black School of Rock. You should watch that. Peak of Power. It's not. I don't think that's 90s, but you should watch School of Rock. It was pretty funny. What do you think about buying silver bullion? They say precious metal is good for a recession. It looks like one is coming soon, if not already here. Justin, if you're gonna be buying coins, okay? Yes, silver could be good, especially if the price of silver continues to go higher because of a hedge against inflation, and also because of the Russia ordeal with restricting the supply of silver. If you're going to be buying bullion, though, and you're going to be investing like a very large amount of it, dude, the silver's going to get heavy. The silver's going to get heavy if you're buying, tens of thousands of dollars or thousands of dollars worth of it. It's going to take up a lot of space, too, so you're going to have to watch out for that. So if you want it to take up less space, go with gold or something, but if you want to have a lot of silver coins hanging around, I say go for it. Can't stay, but Clay, I love you. Chris, you suck, pay rent. Devil's advocate, man. Real quick, before you leave, Joel like those cookies, man? Because I was thinking about those cookies again, and I want to taste one of those cookies. Did she like those cookies? Was it a good choice to stop and get those cookie crumbles, man? Because that did look like a very nice set of cookies there. Peak School of Rock was the early 2000s. Will give you the benefit of thinking you meant classic 90s kid movie. Chris is on his movies, man. Chris knows his movies. But yes, early 2000s. It seems like it. 2003. Okay, well, you guys went out and looked it up. I know you did. But no, I really liked School of Rock. I thought that was a funny movie. Jack Black was a funny guy, man. I don't know why you don't see many Jack Black movies anymore, but Jack Black was a funny guy. Justin, nope. I was 4 in 2003. Well, dude, nothing wrong with being 4. Piggy, you kind of young, man. You kind of young. God, I was tutoring kids that were born in 2000, so Pig is young. Dude, that means those kids are 23 already? There's no way those kids graduated college. 22. They'd be 22. Oh, my God. Wow. Who did you allow Devil's Advocate this time off? Pringleton, man, you know what? No, I didn't approve it, but good news is it's all right, man. It's all right. Friday afternoon, if you guys want to take off early Friday afternoon, the market was up today. We had a good morning stream. Everybody seems happy today. So, yes, if you want to take an early weekend, man. I say do it. Your AMC Squeeze is going good. Hot 1 year ago. Sat there streaming and telling how it was squeezed. Where are it now? Jan's Army. Yeah, so look, man, I agree. Everybody would have imagined that there's no way the shorts would have been holding on this long. And I wish that it would have squeezed back then as well. The good news is, as far as like predictions or dates or any of that goes, the best thing I ever said was that I hope it squeezes, or I would expect it to squeeze within the next year. There's never been any dates like that. I squeeze, you get there. Oh, yeah, Jans, I know, and it is. Look, here's the thing you have to remember if you're going for an AMC squeeze, right? What we saw in June was a nice retail run-up. And what we still have is all of the potential for a squeeze to continue happening. You've got the short interest out there. You've got all of the short shares that need to be in existence to have a squeeze and all of that. And I completely understand anybody's frustration that would have wished a short squeeze come sooner, right? Clearly, I would have been happy if a short squeeze happened back in January or February of 2021, and we would have just been able to move on. But to kind of mock it and say, well, you got your short squeeze, like all of the data points to a potential short squeeze, but you're the fool that's still holding. I get it, man. And I get it. People have a very short mentality these days, and they're just so short-sighted that they can't understand that things in the stock market take longer than a month. So it's all right, though. What's your GPA in school? So Spaniard would have been a 4. would have been 4.0, but I did post secondary, so I don't remember what the exact GPA was. I do remember that I'm pretty sure I ranked 11 in the class. I was one spot out of top 10, but that's because I got 2 B's in college English class, and my college English teacher was kind of a douche. Like, no joke, dude. She just straight out came and said that unless you are a professional author or you can walk on water, referring to you being Jesus, that you were going to get a B in the class. So the only way that you could get an A is if you were a professional author or Jesus. And unfortunately, I was neither one of those, but I stuck in the class anyway, dude. I got a B. Big deal. Moved on with my life, and I was just as happy with it because I got those college credits, and I was fine. Devil's Advocate, I thought you were leaving. Get out. Not have a good one. I didn't see what he said. He said something else. Chris, have you seen Batman yet? If you have, I told you so, you idiot. This Batman is the best one. If you haven't, go see it and reread my previous sentence. Please do. Big Bar, you love it? Or you love it, I promise. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, you really will like School of Rock. I don't know if anybody in here didn't like School of Rock. It was $2 like 2 years ago, and now it dipped from like $70 to $14. So yeah, dude, yeah. But it was $2 a year ago, and it's still sitting at $16. So you're still doing very well if you got in, man. I understand that it dipped down. Like I know what the chart of AMC looks like. I look at it every single day. Devil's Advocate competed with pancakes for the longest farewell. Oh, Lauren has some long farewells too. Guaranteed waits for Clay's goodbye message. Devil's Advocate, he's staying. I know he is. Closer to 1 year. Yeah, hearing Clay discuss his academic history, we wouldn't have got along well. We wouldn't have gotten along well. Total nerd. My GPA was like 2.1. Nah, dude. What do you mean we wouldn't have gotten along well? We would have gotten along just fine. I can have a 3.9 or whatever it was. Does this look like the beginning of a bull run? So, Tony, I forget if I was talking about that. I don't even know if I was talking about it with my mom or dad earlier today. I talked to both of them on the phone. It could be, okay? It could be if a couple things happen. Because the market was very happy with Jerome Powell's stance on inflation and raising interest rates, by 0.25 points or 0.25% and adjusting the interest rates as we go. So market was very happy with that. Russia doesn't seem to be escalating, doesn't seem to be cooling down, but as long as it's not like flying out of control, market's going to be okay with that. So the next thing, that virus that we can't name on here for some reason, if the virus starts to make a comeback, people might get nervous again. But, dude, if all of these things start playing out and just start calming down, yeah, we could absolutely go on another bull run. We've been down for about 4 solid months now. And if it's a longer term, or we've been on a bear run for 4 months now. Sorry, I think I said bull. But we've been in a bearish market, a downward decline for the last 4 solid months here. You would expect it to last a little bit longer than that. So if things do clear up, man, I think it's going to be bright skies for a while. But we have to watch and see what happens in the overall market. I was going to do my job and finish up, but decided to pretend to nice Devil's Advocate 4.0 in school, 3.98 university. Cassie, very nice. The new Batman was awesome. Jack Black is kind of cheesy. I think Jack Black's funny though, man. I think he's funny. You're going to stand there owning a fireworks stand and tell me you don't have any spleen splitters, whiskey biscuits, honky lighters, and nipsey daisies, or without the scooter stick. Yeah, with or without the scooter stick. Joe Dirt, man. Joe Dirt. I got that one right there. One single whistling kid. Yeah, Joe Dirt. There's a large chance that one day Chris ends up in a padded room repeating Joe Dirt quotes to himself and rocking back and forth. Joe Dirt was funny as well, if you guys haven't seen that. What's up, Clay Brown fan? What happened today? Did I miss anything in the market? AMC Trapper, man, you missed so much in the market today. Green is what you missed in the market today, man. AMC closing at $15.79. GameStop closing at $90.78. Mullen Auto, you missed that one if you weren't watching. Maldonado ran all the way up to $3.20. We got a lot of people, man. 24% of the respondents on the poll that I did earlier are holding Maldonado right now. I believe I asked if you were holding or trading. Not exactly sure how I worded it. But $2.90 was the close, but it ran all the way up to $3.20. So it had a nice 10% pullback, but still very, very solid gains on the day, up about 18-19%. Nasdaq soaring 2%, closing 2.05% higher today. Very, very good day in the market, man. I would say the biggest thing you missed would be Maldonado's run, because that's what a lot of people are talking about right now. So if you're worried about that, now you're all caught up. Not too much going on in terms of AMC, though. 4% gain, but there was a lot of gainers today. Not even mad. Just glad Devil's Advocate knew the movie. Me too. Joe Dirt is a good movie. Hey, Trapper, what's going on? Can we talk about AIDS? Just got curious if it applies to all. Mitch, what? I don't know. You don't follow a leadership that sells off to line their own pockets. Is that a question? Or is that a question, or is that a statement? No, and I'm going to be completely honest, man. You know, I don't really follow any leader. So, Trapper, you missed me. Oh, yeah, sexually objectifying you, comparing to the taste of land, like taste for coffee. That did happen as well. That wasn't market-related activity, but it definitely did happen earlier. AMZ to Pluto. New foe. AMZ to Pluto. Yes, Clay, I was going to ask earlier if Mon a good to get in. Chris, man, look. Mon is going to be dangerous at this point. I thought that Mon was going to be dangerous at 60 cents after going on a 20% run. And at these levels here, I'm just going to tell you, at these levels here, Mon bounced off resistance today at this $3, in this $3 area. Bounced off a little resistance in this area back here. If it breaks it, and I'm not going to lie, dude, you can see a run back up to $5, okay? So you're going to have to watch out for that. You're going to have a little trouble at like 360, 370, and then it could run all the way back up to $5 before you hit another major level of resistance. So you got some money to be made if you're willing to trade it. But if I was going to trade Mon from this point, okay, I would not be afraid to use a stop loss. And I would almost expect, with the volatility in it, to get stopped out. And, you know, maybe you could try it a couple times if you wanted to, but you got the chance to still almost double your money rolling up to $5 here. But dude, please know that it's gone on a very nice run actually it was 53 cents, I think 52 cents, from 52 cents to $3.20 just over the last like 2.5-3 weeks. So it's got the momentum, it's got the attention, and with that, it absolutely can continue higher. Just be cautious with it, is what I'm saying. I saw some people on Twitter earlier today saying, where's all the idiots that said, be careful with Mon now, making bank on this one? Dude, there's nothing wrong with saying be careful with getting into a stock, okay? Look at this. This stock right here, people are telling you to be careful at this level, okay? Right here, you have one nice day going up to 62 cents here. One little green day. I want to create an order. One little green day bouncing up to 62 cents here. And somebody tells you to be careful on this. How is that bad advice at all, man? Why would it make any sense to buy this stock? What's going to stop this from continuing lower? Oh, wow. Okay. Well, there. Your stock like tripled in price. Somebody tells you to be careful buying that. Yeah, dude, be careful buying that. Nobody knows what's going to happen over here. Clearly, if you weren't careful, you lost from $1.80, $2, all the way back down to 80 cents. Who the heck wants to lose 70% of their position? Nobody. Clearly, it turned out nice over the next 2 weeks. But, yeah, just be careful, Chris, if you guys want to get in it, or if anybody else wants to get in it. Click, can you please try and work out Rev close? Check 1 minute candle, open, high, low, close. This happened the other day too. Not happy. Let's check it out. How many in the money calls for AMC? Sergio, I actually don't have those numbers. If anybody knows how many calls finished in the money, let Sergio know, please. I'm gonna look at Rev B. Let's look at this closed candle. Nice, man. Nice. Is this the close here, or this is at 4 o'clock, so this can't be the close, but let's see. We've got the open is $1.66, high $1.68, low $1.65, close $1.68. And then here, after hours, would have been 68, 68, 59, and 59. I don't know why there would have been a big sell-off here. I mean, if that's what you're talking about, I don't know why there would have been a huge sell-off at the end of the day. But, I mean, the numbers aren't that bad. Open at $1.68, goes up to open at $1.66, goes up to $1.68, drops back down to $1.65, and closes at $1.68. I mean, those numbers don't look. What's the confusion part, Crypto Rocketeer? Besides these two huge candles there, well, there's a ton of volatility coming in with a ton of shares being traded, closing out 111,000. I mean, look at the volume though, 5 to 10 times higher than typical volume, going up to 162,000 shares being traded on that 1 minute. That looks like the close there. Just people, I guess day traders maybe dumping all their stock in the last minute. So how is it that it closed at $1.59? Did it close at $1? Crypto Rocketeer, that might be because of this candle here. Okay? It might be because of this candle here. Because this looks like it's the first minute. These times on the candles must be the close times. So this close time down here, I don't know if you guys can see the bottom on Streamlabs. But this time, this candle here, the close of this candle was 3:59, and the close of this candle here was 4 o'clock. For me, 4 o'clock Eastern time. So the close of this candle, it closed. You guys can see it up there in the top left. I'm pointing to the screen like you can see my finger, but the candle here closed at $1.59, and that's why it closed at $1.59. It's because of this candle right here. This is the close candle, not the time of the close, not the time of the open on that candle. Rug pulled by your CEO. Change. Rug pulled by Adam Aaron? Just buy Microsoft. Yeah, you can buy Microsoft if you want. I don't think you're going to get some huge gains. Oh my gosh. Lauren is in the chat. What's going on, Lauren? If you miss it, could you read my Tilray comment? Yeah, I did miss it. But long story short, I have both GED and high school. It's not the Tilray comment. Let's see. Got it. Also, my average for Tilray is around $7. I get cannabis side of the news and issues right now with dispensary prices. But would it be smart to average down to $5? Where's that? Yeah, Chris, it could be. It could be. I don't have any cannabis stocks at this point in time. And I know that Tilray is probably down to $4. I think I did look at Tilray on my phone, but it's been a couple days. $5.50. So $5.50. It's actually back up a little bit. So it's been following the overall market pretty well as well, man. We've had 4 strong days in a row. The market had 4 strong days in a row. I do expect that if you think the market's going to continue moving higher, you could see Tilray jumping back as well. So at this point, man, I would say it's up to you if you want to wait for it to recover back up here to these prices, or if you want to if you truly believe that Tilray is going to keep running and you want a lower average on it, that's going to be up to you, man. But I would expect Tilray to rebound as the overall market is rebounding. So I don't think it's necessarily a bad idea to average down if you want to. Let's see. CJ, I can say it again. Need a cyber connection into stock. Spicy hot women. Alice, Cassie, Lauren, Pika, Julia, Kalani. What? Kalani? What? I don't know about that. Oh, Laura, what's going on, my girly girl? Yes. Question. How many people in here can honestly say that if they were less careful or honestly say that if they were less careful, since they got into the market, they'd have more money. Dude, I think, yeah, I don't know, man. I think if I was less careful, I would have had more losers. I would have had more losers, dude. You know, you'd probably go out there and buy $5,000 worth of a single options trade that expires that Friday. I don't know if it sounds familiar or not, but, you know, there would be a lot more than that, a lot more of that if I wasn't more careful. Mitch just finished work, tired as usual. Same old, yes. Yo, did CJ just misspell my name and call me a spicy hot woman? And bruh, I mean, thanks, but spicy hot man. Kalani is a spicy hot woman, man. Yes, Tilray and Hexo. Nufo saying go for it on Tilray, man. Nufo likes Tilray. It's going to hit that rocket. I don't know if I should be salty or what. Yeah, Kalani, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'd take it as a compliment, dude. I was much more careful. I'd have much more money now. But people, they get mad, dude. And all these people are saying is be careful on a stock, man. Just be careful on it. If you want to get in it, but just be careful. I don't understand why that's so hard for people to swallow. It's not telling you don't do it. Like, if I want to tell you don't do it, okay, don't plan on JAGX being a long-term hold. I'll advise you against that. Like, don't do it. I don't like JAGX as a long-term hold. If you expect JAGX to go back up to $20,000, don't expect it. Okay, just don't do it. Like, don't hold JAGX long term. Be careful on JAGX, please. Hopefully that didn't make Spaniard mad. Spaniard did pretty well today, though. Spaniard's up another 10% today. Down a little bit after hours, but if Spaniard still got JAGX, hey, Spaniard, be careful, man. Just be careful. God, you guys hate when it's like telling somebody to calm down, isn't it? Let's see, 6%, but no one candle and a little volume is bull crap. 6%. Oh, no, I missed it. If I was much more careful, I'd have much more money than now. Yes, I think success revolves around good risk management. Spaniard, exactly, man. If you're here to fight tomorrow, you're already winning. I mean, you truly are. Hey, good morning. What's happening to Shib? Even Bitcoin is going up. Wow, Shiba was up a little bit earlier, man, and Shiba's up overall on the day. So Bitcoin is up 2%, and Shiba Inu coin is up about 1% right now. It's just having a little bit of trouble in this range, breaking out at 2,200. So if you go on the daily chart, and let's put up a daily chart for Bitcoin down here. So Bitcoin's down bottom left, Shiba Inu coin's up top right. Bitcoin is still trying to tap and running into a little resistance here at 42.5, but it's out of the main resistance level. You can see it already broke up above that. Shiba Inu coin is running into resistance right here at that 2250, 2300 level. So it might be a little bit more difficult for Shiba Inu coin to break out of that level because Bitcoin is already broken above it. But if Shiba Inu coin does break this level, you could see a pretty quick rise up to 2,500 points per coin. Even 2,800 points per coin if it breaks 25. So don't count Shiba Inu out yet, man. You just got some technicals getting in the way with these levels of resistance. So if you're looking for Shiba Inu to rise again, if you're looking to trade it, whatever, what is this line at right here? Basically 2,300. We'll call it 2,300. If it breaks that level, you could see a nice 10% run up to 2,500 points per coin. It's just running into some technicals, man. We can watch Prague after hours. Let's watch Mullen after hours right now. Prague, unless you guys see something spiking. Thanks, Clay. Getting on the diversity train, so I don't want to hear anything about it anymore. Also, since being in the market, definitely wanting to be good with money, a lot more confident. Still don't have more money though. Chris, dude, if you can develop that confidence in your own trades, in your own decisions, diversifying your portfolio moving forward, dude, you're going to be so well off. It's crazy, man. I'm just wondering how my horse picture makes me spicy hot woman. Oh, Cassie. I don't know, just people like horses. It's weird, but some people like horses. I am now green on my portfolio. Okay, on my new tiny eToro one. The other one is near 50% down, but I'm still taking little wins. Bringleton, nice, man. Any green portfolio is better than a red portfolio. Glibra, it's not rude to compliment the smoke. Listen, it's never rude to compliment anybody unless you start complimenting them and then they just feel awkward because of it. Like, don't single anybody out so much that they start to feel awkward. But no, if you want to call somebody beautiful, whatever, call them beautiful. But don't be like, oh man, you're beautiful. Hey, what are you doing over there? Why don't you come over here, beautiful? Like, yeah, don't be weird. But it is nice to compliment people. Yes. My neighbor is obsessed with Mullen, and I'm worried no revenue, no cars delivered. This will eventually dump. Telling him he might not want to dump any more dwarf dollars on this. Not financial advice. Johnstown, at least you're looking out for your neighbor, man. At least you're looking out for your neighbor. Because, yes, it's not a guaranteed play. Nothing is guaranteed. So as long as you know what you're getting into, if you're playing it for the momentum, play it for the momentum. If you're playing it for some sort of a future release, play it for some sort of a future release. Whatever your guys' strategy is, stick to your strategy and don't waver. Like, if you know it's risky, clearly the reward is paying out right now. If you know it's risky, make some money. Kalani, it's an honor, man. To be honest, I'm kind of sad I wasn't named on the hot ladies in here. Dang it, man. I mean, me too. Thank you for an excellent analysis on Shiba. Mukram Basha, thank you for being in here, man. Appreciate you. I'm holding Mullen through the weekend. Claude KR, a lot of people holding Mullen through the weekend. Did anybody sell off today? Just realized you could change the color on your radiator cover. It's not Lauren. It is not a radiator. Yes, I did change that yesterday for St. Patrick's Day. We left it out because we were having a very nice green day today. Let's see what we got here, though. Want that one? No, I want that one. Yes, we got the purple going on right now. Nice purple day. After hours, we're chilling out. We're having a good day. Lauren, of course, can change the color on them. Green days are always a good thing. Green days are great. Nah, you're just being rude. Nobody be rude, guys. Come on, okay. But, yep, Clay, sore, brother, something. There's definitely a way to compliment people in a good way, and it's definitely a way to do it in a bad way. Honestly, it's a big skill to be able to charismatic enough to compliment well. Devil's advocate. Wish I had your game, dog. Wish I had your game. Mitch, you still have Vion? You get Vion's another risky one. Clay, nice hair. Compliment. Best. If you guys ever want to compliment me, thank you. Follow Paul. Follow Paul if you guys want to compliment me right there. Paul, appreciate that, man. Paul's a good complimenter. Spaniard, yes, I still have it. I have thousands of shares. You? Should I keep buying AMC even though the CEO is a sellout? So, change. If you're in it for a short squeeze, yes. If you're in it for Adam Aaron, no. I also agree that I don't think Adam Aaron cares too much about a short squeeze. I also agree that Adam Aaron sold his shares. I'm not an Adam Aaron fanboy myself. I know a lot of people are, but I'm not an Adam Aaron fanboy. So I don't make my decisions based on what Adam Aaron does. Hi. Oh, when do you think we're going to go up to 1 penny? Future LX. Man, I don't know when the date is going to be. It's going to be far off in the future, though, if we're going to get there. Purple is Shib's dump candle. No, Adele. These are not indicative of any dump candles. It's just purple because it's it actually shows up nice on the camera. Clay, inspired by The Office, when we reach the peak of this squeeze, can you signal us with a closing time so we don't get caught holding the bag? Chris, dude, I can signal you when. Honestly, I can tell you when I'm selling my shares if I wanted to. It doesn't matter. Like, if I tell you when I sell my shares, big deal. Here's the thing. I know you guys are confident enough to make your own decisions. And you should also know that I can't time the squeeze perfectly. I'm not going to know when the squeeze is dead over, when we've reached the price. Nobody is, man, including myself. Nobody's going to know the exact peak and the exact turnaround. So don't rely on anybody. It's the same deal with everybody making fun of like Matt Kors and Trey, thinking that those guys sold at exactly $72 and they sold at the dead peak. There could be no better compliment than to tell somebody they sold at the exact peak and they somehow not got lucky, but knew that that was the exact peak. No, don't give anybody so much credit They know exactly when the stock is going to peak out and turn around. Because at the end of the day, man, I don't know, you don't know, they don't know. Nobody can predict the future. We can look at things. We can look at how many shares are being traded, whether it's possible. The short interest numbers are going to be lagging. So there's a lot that we can look at, and we'll look at it together. But, none of us are going to be perfect. No, it's not a radiator cover, really. I just thought it was funny. A giggle. God, man, why? Anybody else saying giggle, I'd be like, you type in giggle. But Laura's saying giggle. Why? It shouldn't be cute, but it is. Bought some Ape for 1,400 at 14. Do you think I should hold them? So, listen, man. Ape coin, dangerous coin. But I would have said the same thing about a Bored Ape Yacht Club if it was selling at 10 Ethereum. Clearly, the floor price being 90 Ethereum now, it's got potential, man. So I don't know. It just assess your risk and do what you're comfortable with on that one. Let's see. Where's part 1? Listen here, big guy. I wish I had a brain, dude. 4.0 whistles, bro. You're a stud, man. A super smart, and you're that nerd all the ladies say they want, but doesn't exist in real life. Like an Andrew Garfield kind of nerd. Smart and awkward in the most adorable of ways, and with your old-fashioned sense to mash, looks it. Pants are. I'm not going to show you my ankles, man, but the pants are cuffed today. Oh, no. I like Andrew Garfield, man. I liked Andrew Garfield in Spider-Man, and I liked Andrew Garfield in Tick, Tick, Boom. So thank you very much, Devil's Advocate. This dude knows how to compliment. Really does like a radio cover, though. I want one. Lauren, you can have this one. It'll probably only cost me like $400 to ship this to the United Kingdom. So I'll get on it. I'll ship it to you this weekend. You're good on your analysis. Philly says, yo. Philly. Yo, back. Mike, are you from Philadelphia? And that's just what you're saying there, or what? Frank. Sorry, Mr. Stream. Frank. Sorry, Mr. Stream. Pika says. Okay, gotta go making dinner. See you bros on Monday. Kalani, enjoy your weekend. Dude, you make dinner really early. I'm telling you, you make dinner really early. It always makes me feel awkward as a cashier. People compliment me and wink and try to recruit me for their cult in my prior... Cassie, I don't know the situation, okay, but I think I don't know if you misinterpreted things as a cashier. It is nice to, just go back and forth with a cashier, and I don't know if they were trying to recruit you for a cult or not, but that would be interesting if they were. Yo, Clay. Yo, Carl. What's going on, man? Tick, Tick, Boom was amazing. Tick, Tick, Boom is a good movie. If it's radiator cover, I would have totally used it in my dorm room, then only place I have lived with radiators like that. Yeah, I never lived in it. I don't know if I've ever lived in a place with a radiator. What about ApeCoin? Do you know something about it, and what is your opinion on it? So Future LX, man, yes, I know a little bit on it because a lot of people have been asking about it. The best thing, in my opinion, that it has going for it is that it's associated with Bored Ape Yacht Club. Being associated with Bored Ape Yacht Club is going to give it, value by association. Paul Wright Lawn. Sorry I missed the super chat. Thank you very much for the popcorn. Paul. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Paul. Really appreciate that, man. AMC still doing well after hours, guys. AMC sitting at 16.07 right now. Shiba Inu coin 22.37. GameStop down just slightly, sitting at $98.77. Mullen Auto down $2.80 or down to $2.89 after hours, just down 1 cent there. We've got Farmy's actually down 1.50% after hours right now, sitting at $16.99 after a $17.25 close. We've got Sundial down 0.5%, Mullen down almost 0.5% there. CEI up 1% after hours. The SPY is up 0.20% after hours. Not bad action at all. AMC Trapper. He says 7 months strong, but it says a member for 10 months. So I don't know what he's got going on there. Boom, 10-month member chat on AMC Trapper, but he's reading 7 months somewhere, so I don't know. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the member chat. 10 months strong. It was a week, 3 months, and then a 7 month strong. So I like it. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the member chat, man. They had radiators like that in the barracks. It was right next to the asbestos. Asbestos it can only make you stronger, man. If it didn't kill you, it makes you stronger. 17 months. Ooh, 10 months and 7 months. That does equal 17. Does equal 17. AMC Trapper, 10 months. Let's go. Congrats. Yes, man. I think 10 probably is probably the longest. I don't know. Stephanie's probably on 10 months. I think Lauren might be close to 10 months. I'm not sure. There's some 10-monthers out there. AMC Trapper, man, thank you very much. God, I'm gonna get AMC Trapper another shirt here in the next 2 months. You YouTubers help the. What did it try to say? You YouTubers help the cause. It's good to be able to trade ourselves, and the information is shared. Some are sleight of hand distractions. Yeah, dude. Look, I see people on Twitter and people on Reddit. They'll make fun of the people on Reddit and they'll make fun of the people on Twitter, and they all hate the YouTube people, right? Look, guys, we're here to point things out. I know you guys know that, but for some reason something gets lost when you go over to a different social media platform, and I don't know why. I don't know why there's like Twitter gangs and Reddit gangs, and they just all got to pick on each other. No, dude, it's not about me sitting here telling you that you guys need to buy into this right now and me trying to pump a certain stock or anybody else really trying to pump a certain stock. And some other people might. I have no idea what their intentions are. But, dude, if you guys know about something that I don't know about, let us know. Like Rev B. I probably never would have seen Rev B. And Crypto Rocketeer brings up Rev B sitting in here. You could have made some money in the last couple of days. You could have made some money in the last couple days looking at this. Yeah, it's a risky play, sure. But you guys know that you can get in and get out of your own risky plays. Vion, I would have had no idea what Vion is. Also very risky. Look, coming back up here. We talked about this. Who is it? Mitch that has Vion here. Dude, we talked about this being a level of resistance if it breaks this area in here. Dude, it broke this area, and it did come up to about 80 cents. Tapped out at, it's 77.5 today. So, Mitch, I mean, you know, it's not my recommendation for you to sell if it hits 88 cents, or 80 cents, sorry. But these are the different things that we can point out. If it's going to fill that gap, will it fill this gap? Will it go back up to $1.20? You know, these are the different things that we can look at, and we can make decisions accordingly, right? We just point things out here. These Twitter guys, man, you can twiddle their thumbs. Twitter can twiddle their thumbs. That's all they can do there. What was Paul's super sticker? It was that AMC already overly priced popcorn in their house popcorn. It's probably overly priced as well. Chris, I think it might have been. Darn, it said 7 and then changed it to 10. AMC Trapper. Now that's crazy. He writes 7 and it was a 10. It's all right, man. We know what you mean there. Devil's Advocate, what your sole purpose in this army? Do whatever you tell me, drill sergeant. Yes, sir. You got it. You're a genius. Most outstanding answer I have ever heard. Must have had an IQ of 160. Boom. Yeah, I was never in the army, so I don't know actually know what you guys are talking about. Puts on sunglasses, successfully adding 10 and 7. Yeah, I got a D in geography. No big deal. You know, geography, you know, geometry, all the same deal. I was never in the army, so I don't know what this man's yelling at me for. I was never in the army either. I'm thankful for Glaybro because of Mon and Prague. If it wasn't for his channel, I wouldn't be making good. Keith, man, and look, that's not right. You guys know that's not me telling you go out to buy Prague and go out and buy Mon. But it pointed out Prague and it pointed out Mon, and you guys, dude, the best part, like the part that makes me the happiest, I know by now, unless this is your first day here. You guys are smart and confident enough to go out there and make these decisions. I wasn't confident in Mon going up. I do have Prague. But I wasn't confident enough in Mon going up after that little run that it made, and I didn't get in, man. I'm not that much of a swing trader, day trader anyway. But, dude, Keith, man. Keith, I love the fact that you're making money on it. Oh, we got one for Paul here. Paul, thank you for the... Thank you very much, Keith or Paul. Gosh, I'm messing your guys' names up now. Lauren, this one's for you. Everybody else, you're allowed to look, but only Lauren can touch. I gotta make sure I'm on screen. Yeah, I can see it. Clay Bros Peach right there for Lauren. Lauren, thank you very much for the super sticker. Oh my gosh. Nobody else touched it, right? I didn't feel anybody out there. AMC Trapper. Thank you very much, AMC Trapper, for the little puppy dog there. You guys are making me feel really weird, man. Really weird. But I like it. AMC Trapper, Lauren, Paul, thank you guys very much for the super stickers. My favorite Forrest Gump line, but I didn't read the comment quick enough. Darn it, Chris. Yeah, I don't know all these answers. It's me. Buy Prague now. Yes, Devil's Advocate will say to buy Prague. I slept in barracks one time in the summer, so freaking hot in the AC and no bathroom. Had to walk to another building in high school field trip to the Iowa State Fair, and I guess it rented cheaper than a motel. Oh my God. Yeah, well, shoot, man. Barracks is better than a hotel, right? It was probably, what, like $5 a night? Driving, but wanted to stop by and say hi. JB, hello. Drive safe, man. Glad to have you starting your weekend with the bros. When is Clay Bro making a trip to the UK? Nufo, how do you know I haven't already made a trip to the UK? Did you get in on Mon? Alan, nope, I did not get in on Mon. I believe about 24% of the respondents in here got in on Mon. I did a poll earlier. Keith, man, thank you for the super sticker. Thank you very much, Keith, for the super sticker. Nufo says, Clay, you looking hungry, man. Hot dog. It's called the dip and shove technique. You take it and you dip it. You dip the hot dog in whatever dip you want to dip it in, and then you shove it, man. Just a one and done. Thank you very much, Nufo, for the hot dog, guys. Appreciate all the super stickers out there, especially the ones that do make me feel a little bit weird. What do you think of Kishu Inu? Darkman, I don't have any other Inu coins other than Shiba Inu. So I don't know anything about Kishu Inu, but if they're taking advantage of the name and they're rising in popularity, you can make some money. But what do? Is it still a meme coin? Meme coins have risk. Shiba Inu coin has a lot of risk. It just balance your risk and reward, I guess, appropriately, man. Get what you pay for, and Barracks is free. Barracks should be free, right? Massive gains this week on Mall. Mad Medic, yes, man. A lot of people making a lot of money on Mullen Auto this week. Chris, only if I nibble. I don't know what is happening here. Clay Rose Peach emote is interesting, yes. So since Lauren's super sticker is for a butt chin, if she kisses Clay's chin, does that mean if she... Oh my God. Now the comment makes sense. I have no idea, man. No idea. I guess if she nibbles a little, we'll find out about that some other time. Paul, thank you very much for the super sticker. Paul, I know it's from you, but I'm thinking of Trapper. All right, this is called the lick and stick technique. We got the banana. Eye contact. Thank you very much, Paul, for the super sticker. AMC Trapper already closing his eyes because he knows all about it, man. I do try. Good deal. Wow, that was good. Yes, it was very good. It did make me sweat a little bit, not going to lie. I can watch Clever eat a banana all day. All day. I could do it. I could eat a banana all day. I could do it, man. Shiba Bone. Shamba. I do not own any Bone, man. I don't. A lot of people very interested in Bone because they earn in Bone, but I do not earn anything in Bone, so I'm not that interested in it. $15.98 for AMC After Hours right now, back below that $16 line, trying to cross above it again. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $22.34. GameStop, $90 even, and Sundial. What do we get Sundial on here After Hours for? Let's go. We got Prague up 1% after hours. Farmy is down 1.5% after hours. We've got Sundial. We got Mullen Auto down 0.5% after hours. CEI up 1.72% after hours. And the SPY up 20% after hours. Decent after hours action. Nothing really falling off. What do we want to put down there? Let's watch Prague. Let's watch Prague. I also leveled out my profit and loss by investing in Ether and Bitcoin. Such huge swings. One could almost make a living just buying the dips and selling the rips. Mad Medic. Yes. Yes, you can. You know, if you're looking to day trade and swing trade, you can make a living doing it, but you gotta have discipline, man. I remember eating a banana and not saying a word. Still awkward. Has anybody watched that video since I made that video? I haven't watched that. I'd be creeped out watching that video. I don't know. That was a fun video to make, though. I just want to wish Clay and all my brothers and sisters a great weekend. Love you all millions. Crypto Rocketeer, man. You have a good weekend as well, dude. Rest up. Come ready for Monday, too. I hope all you guys have a great weekend. Do you want to earn something in Bone? Oh, my. From you? I don't know, Devil's Advocate. I don't know. I would like to earn something in Bone, yes. But I don't know. American-made electric vehicles. Let's get it. You don't like it or you do like it? I'm not sure. Change. Only thing I'm worried about is getting... What? Office reference. Yeah, that would be, we'd be worried about that with, oh, no, not Meredith, with Phyllis. I paid the $10 to unlock a video of someone else eating a banana, and I felt like it was a waste of money after watching these banana stickers. Cassie, you didn't have to tell us that you paid $10 to watch somebody unlock a video of somebody eating a banana. But now I feel like I need to lock my banana eating videos, and somebody can pay me $10 to unlock that video. Yes. Cassie, you've just given me an idea. What are we thinking about Prog? JB, Prog had a great day today. Up, what was it, up 20% earlier? Yeah, Prog closing the day, it was up above $1.50 earlier, and it closed up 11.5%. Dude, I don't know. I just like the fact that Prog's climbing back up, man. Prog hit some resistance in this $1.50 area. You can see these lines that we had on the chart from before, from back in here. And Prog bounced off that today. I would say if it breaks through this line, $2 to $2.10 is the next level. I'd give it this area right in here, $2 to $2.10. So that's where I'd keep my eye out for the next level of resistance if we break this one. So decent run, $1.75, maybe at the bottom end of that, but overall, you got to be happy with Prog's progress today. Progress today. Good job, Clay. Season 1 was pretty cringeworthy. Yeah, dude, I don't know. The first 3 episodes were a little weird, but after that, I think it got great. Cassie, so you're my new subscriber. That's so nice. Nice, Devil's Advocate. You guys are learning? Yes. Creed is the best character. No hat. Dude, Creed's crazy. Creed is crazy. I watch it every time I'm feeling down. At least I'm not the guy in the video. Cheers me right up. Yep, that would definitely cheer me up, too, if I was not the guy in the video, but I am. Clint, you think Prog, long-term play. So Mad Medic, yes. In a sense, it could be. Devil's Advocate is very convincing with a lot of the stuff that Prog has coming out in terms of developments and patents and things that they are actually doing. Prog, in a technical aspect or a technical view, could be a shorter-term play, depending on how you want to look at it. The thing I like about Prog is that on its way up and its way back down, dude, Prog left you with a lot of very strong levels of support and resistance. I mean, you can see here, it stair-stepped its way up. It would go up, flat, go up, flat, go up, flat, go up, flat, and then go up. So in the same way when it came down, man, it would come down, bounce, and go sideways. Come down, bounce, and go sideways. Come down, and then, it bottomed. I don't know what it actually bought. $1.04. Okay, $1.04 intraday. But with that, we do have a lot of pretty strong levels of support and resistance. So like this one, man, if you don't think that Prog is going to bounce through this, or if you think the market's going to be red on Monday, today would have been a decent day to either take profits or buy a put or, something along those lines. If it breaks through it, I'm fairly confident that Prog could easily hit $1.80 all the way up to $2. There's not a ton of resistance in between here and there. And dude, a move from $1.50 to $1.80, that's a solid gain. So depending on how you want to play it, yeah, I think it's got potential either way to be, some short-term swings, some short-term trades, or a longer-term hold if you're looking for that, either long-term capital gain or some solid growth because of its fundamentals. Bro, you mentioned a weekend stream earlier in the week. Was that a joke? It's hard to tell with some of the humor in here. Pika, most likely, will not be doing a weekend stream. It's not out of the question that I would do one at some point, but most likely not going to happen, at least this weekend. Peak Power, got my dancing shoes ready for tonight. Oh yeah, Mad Medic. Chipro has been out, dude. I got a little tin that I put his seeds in now, and he's already gone through like 3 or 4 tins, man. So he's definitely out. He was eating today. I did see him today. I didn't feed him today, but he went in his hole, and I was watching him in the backyard. So Chibro sightings have been made, and I'm sure he'll be making a lot more appearances here coming soon. Nope, drinking tonight. Pop. Paul, I like it. Drinking pop tonight. That's what you gotta do. Chris, same. Oh, what do you say? Devil's Advocate, my favorite Creed part is when he is late for the murder mystery episode. Chris, same. Have you seen the links of him to the Strangler? I 100% think it actually is him, or it is actually him. He also says in one episode that the last guy who messed him up was named Creed. That's what I think his last name. What's his last name? I don't know what Creed's last name is. Public service announcement. Oh, AMC to hit 17 after hours. New fall. If AMC hits 17 after hours, I'm going to be pretty impressed. I would say just to stick around these $16 levels, but I would be impressed if it hits 17 and very happy if it does. Public service announcement. I made a prog video back in 2008. If anyone wants to go watch it and learn what they're doing with this pill. You watched a video in 2008. God, I wish I could zoom in on that. Is this real life right now? What? Is this real life? I don't even know if this is... I am distracted. I am distracted. Lauren, thank you very much for the super chat. Lauren says, gallop, boy, gallop. Thank you very much, Lord, for the super sticker. Absolutely appreciate the unicorn there. And just leave it at that. Leave it at that. Oh, my goodness. Actually, a bunch of that makes sense, of Toby being it. A bunch of Toby being the Strangler. I don't know about that. Wait, Chipro is... dude, Chipro's got to be... I don't know, man. I've never looked, but... his name's Bro, so. Lauren, you look beautiful with that purple hair. I didn't say it, Cassie did. Change, I will kick you out so fast, dude. Pump the brakes. I didn't see what he said, man. I didn't see what he said. Lauren, Clay's getting his workout in. Yes, I am. A gallop, Clay. Anything you say. Anything you say. You say gallop, I gallop. AMC's $16 cover calls expired. Forward $16.50 cover calls in the money. Next Friday, AMC cover calls for next Friday is $17 already sold. What an awesome week in the market. Frank, dang, dude. Frank selling covered calls at $16 on AMC, and AMC closing at what did it close at? $15.80 today. Nicely done, Frank. Frank selling some covered calls at $17 for next week. All right, Frank, bold move, but I hope you make some money on those, dude. Very nice, man. Real though, real thought though. I thought it was a picture of a Barbie. I kind of did too, but nah, I looked at it. You know, the doll made in a vision of the flawless woman. Yeah, Devil's Advocate. You say it. You guys can say all the nice things, and I will read them all day long. Pika Power. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. All right, one more. Thank you very much, Pika Power, for the super sticker. Appreciate that one. I don't get that one very often, so thank you very much for that super sticker there. That is a fun one. Mad Medic. Yes, Mad Medic. He's got that Rainbow Ape. I love it, Mad Medic, with that green name now, man. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Welcome back, Mad Medic. Glad to have you, man. He's got that Rainbow Ape already. I'm sorry, Clay. I couldn't help it. Pika Power. No, that's a good one. That's a good one. I really like that one, too. That's what, yes, everybody, all 80 of you guys, welcome back, Mad Medic, and thank you very much. I got screwed somehow. I was a member for like 7 months and somehow canceled my Mad Medic. It's cool though, man. It's cool. It picked right back up where you left off. So you still do have the Rainbow Ape. You don't have that old little green one anymore. You got the Rainbow Ape there, so you're still doing good. Didn't screw you up at all, man. You just picked right back up. Sorry, but it's true. CEO sold out on the back of the PP. What? I don't know what PP is at the moment. But James, you are right, man. You are right. You know, Adam Aaron did sell his shares. I know that. We know that here. Speaking of Clay, you look kind of like Ken, eh? And not really, but let's pretend so you end up with one. Thank you. Devil's advocate. I mean, we got Barbie and Ken right here, man. Welcome, Mad Medic, AMC Trapper, all of you guys. Cassie, thank you guys for welcoming Mad Medic. Frank, Allison Wonderland, Shredda, Keith, Pika, thank you guys for all saying welcome to Mad Medic there. Clipper's so cheeky. I'm a cheeky little Muppet, Newfo. You know it, man. Welcome, Mad Medic. Paul, thank you. All the Mad Medic. Everyone, it was a sticker pack. Well, Mad Medic, now you got it. Now I newbie. Yeah, I recall you, Mad Medic, from back in the day. Me too, man. Oh, for real? Mad Medic, yeah, dude. Yeah, you still got your Rainbow Ape there. So that's the 7-month member chat. Or a member icon. Bro, I bought some Bitcoin B-Rise today, but gas fees are crazy. Was expecting less on PancakeSwap. I don't know. Is Bitgert an Ethereum token? What is ApeCoin at right now? Dang, man. ApeCoin being at 1450. Hey, ApeCoin is crazy. Dude, I wouldn't have expected your gas fees to be very large on Bitgert, man. What did you end up paying for gas fees there? I wouldn't have expected them to be very large. Unless, I don't know if Bitgert has tokenomics where you're getting hit with taxes, though, man. That could have been what you got hit with. Glad to have my Rainbow Ape. Almost hopped out when Shiba hopped in, but I'm a diamond-handed ape, bro. Chris, man, I'm glad you stayed here, too. I'm glad you stayed. Lord, I'm ordained. Can I perform your wedding to Clay? Devil's advocate. Let's get it, man. No B.I.B. I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Life is plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair. We'll just leave it there before YouTube censors us. Sing clip, Lauren. Yeah, you say you got it. Clipro looks like a junior high mischief. Is that good? Is that a good thing or is that a bad thing? Is that a good thing or a bad thing, Dwight? I don't know. UFC tomorrow starts at 1:30 p.m. Who's fighting? Dwight, are you back for more? Dwight is a whale, man. Dwight is a whale for sure. Does that make it really? Yes, let's make it happen. I don't want him singing, please. Don't do it. I did it anyway. At the wedding, ladies and gentlemen, and Chris. Ladies and gentlemen, and Chris, thank you for all being here today. Yes, Chris is in a league of its own, man. The next lyrics. I knew what the next lyrics were, Paul. I just didn't want to be saying that because I don't want you to be like, what is this dude saying on his live streams? Oh, gosh. Pika Power, you know you liked it, though. We got a couple minutes left in the chat, guys. Let's see. AMC sitting right at that $16 line. Hopefully we get some good, strong after-hours close. And you've got AMC above $16 at 8 p.m. tonight when it finishes. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $22.42 right now. GameStop $90.24, not doing too much. Prague sitting sideways after hours at $1.46. We saw GameStop. Farmy sitting down 2% right now, $16.85 after closing at $17.25. A little volatility going all the way down to $16.55. Wow. We've got Mullen Auto sitting down almost 2%. Sundial sitting down 0.27%. CEI just barcoding back and forth, and the SPY up 0.25% right now. Overall, amazing day. Amazing day. But guys, it is time to go. It is 5 o'clock. Get your names in the chat. We'll get some shout outs going on. We'll have videos in 2 hours, videos in 3 hours. Make sure to click the like button, all that good stuff. But I do want to say thank you to everybody that was in here, man. You guys made the afternoon stream go extremely quickly, and it was a good time, man. It was a very good time. You guys really have done weddings before? Nice, Devil's Advocate. I wish to CD out in high school with a Walkman attached to my jeans, working out in the working in the greenhouse. Dang, man, guys, yeah. Didn't it skip like crazy, though? Didn't it skip like crazy? Vay and Matt will try to justify the CEO. Oh, no, dude. I'm not gonna justify the CEO selling. Big as somebody, you have to choose someone to give a legitimate crown. I like at prom. Nice. All right, let's get these shout-outs going, guys. In 2 hours and 3 hours, you guys get videos, and we will be back with the live streams on Monday. Devil's Advocate, shout-out to you. AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Lauren, enjoy your weekend. Have a great one, and I hope to see you back here on Monday. Shredda, take care as well. Mad Medic, see you later. Yo, Carl, Alice in Wonderland, peace out to you. Frank, JB, enjoy your weekend, man. Frank, Chris, see you later. Thank you for being in here. Got those diamond hands, man. James, see you later. Pika Power, enjoy your weekend as well. Nufo, Devil's Advocate, Mad Medic, Pika Power, Keith, Mad Medic, peace to you. And we got Crypto Rocketeer, if he's in here. Boom, baby, dabbing on him as always. Dwight, man, we got a cat in the box. Cat in the box, cat's out of the box now. Yes, he is. Dwight, enjoy your weekend, and thank you very much for earlier today. Spaniard, see you later. Mela Mamas, see you later. BBIG close to 250. We got robbed. Oh my goodness. Hey, 250 is better than 240. Lauren, good night to you. Peace out. Enjoy it. Sleep well. Change the world. Change. Thank you for being in here as well, man. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Keith Kemp, see you Monday. James, see you later. Mad Medic, Pika Power, all of you guys. You know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.